Hi guys, for today's video, we're out for Katrina Velarde for the first time, and this is Man in the Mirror. But kilala natin si Katrina. She's incredible. Her voice, her range, the power, unbelievable, and I just love her so much. She's one of the best singer in the Philippines. Yes, she's one of the best biritiras. Bakulaw kung bakulaw. Alam natin yung pinakabakulaw is si Miss Regine Velasquez, but Katrina, oh my goodness, like Morissette, Amon also, Jessica, oh, wow, sobrang marami yung mga biriteras na magagaling. Yes, going to see this, going to check this one. I hope you enjoyed and entertained. And to all the fans of Katrina Velarde, hello po, to the Philippines. Nandito po ngayon ako sa Europe, nagtatrabaho. And hello po sa mga OFW na kagaya ko. Hello po. Kumusta po kayo? I hope you're safe. Let's go.
I'm gonna make a change for once in my life. It's gonna feel real good. Gonna make a difference. Gonna make it right.
What a beautiful voice. Expected na to kasi sobrang galing ni Katrina. First time ko mag-react sa kanya, but hindi first time na makinig sa kanya kasi sobrang galing. Palagi ko siya makikita. Sobrang ganda ng boses. Halimaw kung halimaw.
As I turn up the collar on my favorite winter coat, this wind is blowing my mind. I see the kids in the street with not enough to eat. Who am I to be blind, pretending not to see their needs? A summer disregard, a broken bottle top in a one-man soul.
Ang ganda ng microphone na to. Sobra. Pangarap ko din to makabili. Pag-iipunan natin yan, guys. Pangarap ko yung microphone na yan. Na mag-record ka lang at ganda ng quality. Kasi sobrang ganda ng quality. Like this. Ang ganda.
They follow each other on the wind, you know, 'cause they got nowhere to go. That's why I want you to know I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways, and no message could have been any clearer. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and then make the change.
Wow. Nakakamiss daw. Oh my goodness, Katrina. Definitely, you're one of the best. You're one of the best. Ang ganda, ang galing. Wala ka na talaga makukomment sa kanya kasi it's given. It's already given na sobrang galing niya. Technically, wala na. Just say, she's good. That's it. Sobrang galing lang. Nakaka-relax lang boses niyo, no? Parang ayaw ko siyang i-pause. But I need to. Kasi reaction video to, guys. Para iwas din kay Lolo, you know. Sobrang strict ni Lolo. Sabi na. At ang gaan niyang kumanta lang. Parang walang tension. Walang kaba. Like, napakagaan lang. Napakagaan. That's how Katrina is. She's always killed it. She's always nailed it. Yeah. Wow.
Asking him to change his ways, and no message could have been any clearer. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and then make a change. I'm starting with the man in the mirror. I'm asking him to change his ways, and no message could have been any clearer. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and then make that change. With the man in the mirror. Oh.
Dito na natin makikita, maririnig guys, yung mga birit, yung mga pasabog part. Ganun eh. Katrina Velarde. Sobrang galing, sobrang angas. Hindi ko pa siya nakita. Oh my goodness, sayang. Marami ako nakita na ng mga magagaling na singers personally. Like si Miss Regine. Sobrang galing. Angelique Conto. Nakita ko na din siya. Julian. Sana si... grabe.
I'm asking him to change his ways. No message could have been any clearer. If you wanna make the world a better place, take a look at yourself and then make the change. Gotta get it right while you got the time. 'Cause when you close your eyes, then you close your mind. Starting with the man in the mirror. Oh yeah, I'm asking him to change his ways.
She's so good. Period. She's very, very good. She's very good.
No message could have been any clearer. If you wanna make the world take a look at yourself and then make that change. Oh yeah. Oh, na 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 na. I'm gonna make a change for once in my. I'm gonna make a change for once in my life.
Once again, Katrina Velarde. That was amazing. Wow, that was so good. I hope you enjoy po. Nag-entertain din po kayo for this reaction video. At yeah, salamat po. And I hope you continue to support Katrina Velarde. And I hope you support also my channel. Thank you po. Mabuhay. Fighting.